Last week, former President Donald Trump and 18 co-defendants found themselves in the Fulton County Jail, facing allegations of conspiring to unlawfully overturn the 2020 presidential election results in Georgia. On Monday, Fulton County Superior Court Judge Scott McAfee announced that the arraignment for Donald Trump would take place at 9:30 a.m. on September 6 regarding the Georgia election case. His co-defendants, including his former attorney Rudy Giuliani, will also be arraigned that day. Giuliani's arraignment is scheduled for 9:45 a.m., followed by the rest of the co-defendants at 15-minute intervals. The first defendant to respond to the charges was Ray Smith, an attorney who previously represented Trump in Georgia during election-related cases. Smith submitted a not guilty plea on Monday and waived his arraignment, becoming the initial among the 19 defendants to enter a plea. Donald Trump, along with his co-defendants, faces felony racketeering charges and numerous conspiracy counts. These allegations are part of a broader investigation led by Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis into attempts made by Trump and his associates to overturn the 2020 election results in Georgia, a key battleground state. The group of defendants, who have also been charged with racketeering, were taken into custody and booked at the Fulton County Jail in the previous week. The indictment, consisting of 41 counts, lists several notable names including Giuliani, former White House Chief of Staff Mark Meadows, lawyers John Eastman, Sidney Powell, Kenneth Chesebro, Janet Ellis, and former Justice Department official Jeffrey Clark. All defendants are accused of violating Georgia's Racketeer-Influenced and Corrupt Organization Act, along with other offenses. Donald Trump has continuously denied any wrongdoing during the 2020 election, asserting that the investigation conducted by Willis is a politically motivated witch hunt. Many of his co-defendants have also claimed innocence. Some of the defendants, like Meadows, Clark, and David Schaefer, a former Georgia state senator and GOP chair, are attempting to move their cases to federal court. Arguments have already taken place in federal court regarding Meadows' request, with a hearing scheduled for September 18 to discuss Clark's request. The booking and arraignment procedures in Fulton County function independently. Some arraignments could be conducted virtually as per McAfee's guidance. It remains uncertain whether Trump's arraignment will be conducted in person or virtually. Following his surrender to Fulton County authorities, Trump was released from custody under certain conditions, which include a $200,000 bond. The terms prohibit him from engaging in activities that could be interpreted as intimidating co-defendants, witnesses, or obstructing justice, both directly and indirectly. This prohibition extends to social media posts and reposts made by him or others. Before their surrender, Willis initially proposed a March 4 trial date, with arraignments scheduled for the week of September 5. Willis took into account the defendants' need to review evidence and prepare for the trial, while also ensuring a prompt resolution of the charges in the interest of both Georgia and the public.